Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you on how to use the automatic messaging feature in the software. That feature will be located in the viral marketing section. You will see the automatic messaging feature right here. Here, to send automatic messages, you will need a UID list of the accounts or fan pages, or you want to send messages to. To get this list, you can use the marketing UID software to scan fan pages based on keywords, or scan the group members. Here, I will take an example of scanning the group members of this group. Here, you copy this UID and select the feature to scan group members and enter the UID of that group here. Okay, and you will enter the number of group members that you want to scan. I'll use an example of about 500 members. Alright, after that you can either scan just the UIDs or scan the detailed members. Okay, after scanning, you can export this to an Excel file. Here, that's to send messages to these members, okay? You copy this column of member UIDs. Go back to the automatic messaging feature and paste it here. After that, you save this. Next, we need to choose the content that we want to send. I'll take this content as an example. Here. And then you just need to click the start button here. You can see the software is sending bulk messages to the people you want. And if you are interested in the software, you can contact me in the description section. I will also leave the software download link in the comment section below. If you want me to make the next video about any specific feature, please comment below and let me know. Hello and see you again.